This is the best way to enjoy your spaghetti. There is no two ways about it. This very recipe is a must try for everyone. It is so easy, it is direct, very quick, healthy. I'm telling you, you are just going to love everything about it. Let's get it started. What I have here is the boiled water I'll be using. This is 3 liters of water. I'll be boiling 1 kilogram of spaghetti. Get this at any supermarket close to you. Spaghetti is so affordable. I'm going to add just a bit of olive oil into it. Feel free to use vegetable oil or coconut oil. I added salt into it, and instead of boiling this for 10 minutes, I'm just going to boil it for 5 minutes. According to the direction, it is supposed to be cooked for 10 minutes, but like I've said, I'm going to boil this for just 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I took it off the cooker. I poured it into a sieve and I poured cold water on it to stop the cooking process. In another pot, I'll be pouring olive oil. Like I've said, you can use vegetable oil. I added sliced onion into this. I'm just going to fry this onion for about 2 minutes. Yes, for 2 minutes. It's going to flavor it and the taste is going to be super. You try this. The aroma that will come out from this after 2 minutes, you're going to thank me later. After that, I added paprika into this. This is tatashe, diced tatashe. I just mixed it together. I added tomato paste. You can use tomato puree. And I added herbs mixture. It contains curry, oregano, chili, and so on. Feel free to add your herbs that you're used to into it. So this is how I'm going to fry everything together. I'll be using this opportunity to say thank you so much to everyone watching me. Thank you so much to all you, my subscribers, my followers, newcomers. You're also welcome. You are appreciated. Thank you so much. So let's move on. I'm going to add coconut milk into this. Check any supermarket close to you. You're going to find this. This is so easy and you can extract your own fresh coconut milk. Otherwise, get this. It makes it a lot easier. So I'm just going to stir everything together and boil for about 5 minutes. Lovelies, this aroma is super. I just gave it a gentle stir. This is very easy. After this, I added seasoning into this. I added thyme and a bit of chili flakes. Yes, I want it more spicy. And of course, salt. Yes, now I give them a good mix. I'm just going to mix them together, and it's now time to add a bit of water into it. Yes, we are cooking half-boiled spaghetti. Okay, so I'm just going to add the half-boiled spaghetti into it now. And I make sure that I mix them together. Yes, because they all now have to become one. And the super juicy coconut milk and our super ingredients is now what is going to simmer the spaghetti till soft, till done. Now I covered and cook under low to medium heat until it gets soft. Those are the herbs I have in the kitchen here with me. I have basil, I have thyme, and I have chive. So that's what I need today. I need the chive. I'm just going to cut a bit from it. I'm going to rinse it and keep it for later use. Let's check this. Tell me, can you persevere this aroma? Try this. Please give this a try and you're going to love it. This is irresistible. I am very sure that no one is going to taste this without saying thank you so much to Delicious Kitchen. Please taste for salt and then adjust. Add to heat if you have to. So after that, I got my chive and I just cover the top with it. I did the toppings with the chives and I allow it to just be together for about a minute or two on this. Loveless. This is super delicious. Make sure you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching.
So delicious, getting higher, why the flavors come alive. for the best recipe.